Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Catherine Montesa Magno. I am 38 years old, married, blessed with one daughter, 14 years old. I am a college level, undergrad.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I have a experience of domestic helper in Hong Kong for 10 years. My first employer is 10 months.
Why not finish contract?
They are relocating to Malaysia.
How about second employer?
My second employer is 4 years, finished contract.
How about third employer?
My third employer is 9 months.
Why not finish contract?
Because they bring me to China for 2 months.
How about fourth employer?
Fourth employer is finished contract, 2 years.
How about the fifth employer?
The fifth employer is 3 years and 7 months.
Finish contract?
Finished contract.
Okay, that's good. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My previous employers are taking care of their twins, boy and girls, 3 years old, and bring them to activities, play dates, and cooking, cleaning, laundry, and marketing.
How about the second employer?
The second employer is taking care of their 8 months old twins, all boys, and cook their food and cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, car washing, and
How about third employer?
Third employer is I'm taking care of 3 years old girls.
Okay, how about fourth employer?
Fourth employer is 3 years old girls, 6 years old boy, 12 years old boy, and bring them to activities, play dates, and cooking, ironing, washing, and car washing and marketing.
How about fifth employer?
The fifth employer, I'm taking care of newborn babies, 3 years old babies, and 6 years old girl, all girls. And then I prepare the food, prepare lunch back to school, picking up from school, and then bring them to play date activities, and I do car washing, cleaning, and some marketing.
Okay. How do you overcome your homesickness?
I keep myself busy.
If you are committed mistaking your employer, what will you do?
I will be honest and asking sincerely sorry, and then I will be careful next time.
If you are holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer house?
I will ask my sir and madam if there anything that do I need to do, and then if not, then I will ask them that I leave the house.
What if the mother your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
I will communicate by sign language, and I try my best to learn their language.
Why should the employer hire you?
Because I am trustworthy, honest, understanding, flexible, and God-fearing, and hardworking.
Okay, that's great. Do you have last message to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
If you hired me, and I will be very happy and do my best to satisfy as you as my employer. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
You finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.